Hello, Priyank. I came from Mumbai. I came thinking that this would be an ordinary resort where we would have mud therapy, we would have massages, etc. But it was actually a very life-changing experience. I had experience with fasting for the first time, and I fasted for almost 4 days. I did not eat anything at all, and the best part or the worst part is that I did not even feel hungry. We used to have yoga sessions right in the morning at 6:30, then pranayam sessions at 2 o'clock in the afternoon, and so on and so forth. And it went on for a couple of days. And the highlight of the session were actually the interactions with Dr. Nitin. Just an amazing experience. Even if you come here, you do not do fasting, you do not do anything. Just come here, experience the things that Dr. Nitin teaches. And the other aspect of it, which was massage or mud bath, mud therapy, or they bury you in the earth. So all those experiences also in the morning, they have excellent people who manage all that. So the massages were so good. I had a lot of sports injuries because of basketball, football, cricket, etc. And then I also work in an office, so because of all those things. And the massages were so good. Like, this is my fifth day today, and from my body, I mean, I feel painless except for 3-4 points that I have. I used to feel pain throughout my body, but there are just 3-4 points remaining that I feel pain in, and those are the points that I'll work on. And with respect to food, you will want to eat, but the best thing is that the people around you, they encourage you to not eat, and after a day and a half, you don't feel like eating at all, and that's the magic. And things, actually, if you come here, you have to totally surrender and say, okay, he's the teacher, I'm going to surrender for 5 days or 10 days, and I'm going to follow. And if you follow, you will actually see the results. I've seen people here who have lost 5 kgs, 6 kgs, 10 kgs. There are people who are suffering from cancers or ulcers in their stomach. And I met a guy who was not able to walk also, and now he comes along with us for treks. So just a life-changing experience. If you get a chance, come here definitely. If not for anything, then the environment, it's amazing. You will just see mountains, clean air, fresh air. Everything is just in the heart of nature. So thank you so much for having me, and I hope you come here and at least enjoy and learn something, because there is so much to learn from here. Thank you.